How to use the media controls on your Chromebook when it's locked. Android Central. It can be annoying when you're listening to something on your Chromebook only to have it lock. Then, you have to unlock it in order to control the content. Back in late 2019, Google pushed an update to Chrome OS, which added a new media control widget to the lock screen of your Chromebook. This works with all of the big hitting apps like Spotify and YouTube Music. But it can also control media being played back through the Chrome browser. This new media control widget gives you all the control you'll need to listen to your music, podcasts, and more. There's the traditional play/pause button, previous and skip buttons, along with a seek forward and seek backward button. Plus, you can scrub the song or podcast and skip around to find something specific. When you're done, just move your cursor over the widget and tap the X icon that appears in the top right-hand corner of the widget. Lenovo's C340 Chromebook gives you just about everything you could want in a Chromebook while maintaining a sleek and slim form factor. This is packed with up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage along with USB-C and USB-A ports, and you are sure to enjoy every second of your new Chromebook. There's even up to 10 hours of battery life on board. So the C340 will keep chugging along for as long as you need it to. If you are a frequent traveler and want a way to keep your Chromebook protected, then you are in luck. We have found and compiled a list of the best backpacks that you can get for your Chromebook in 2020. Whether you need it for a Chromebook tablet like the Duet or just a full-size mechanical keyboard to use at your desk, you can get a great keyboard for Chrome OS devices of every style and connection type. Laptop speakers suck. Here are a few easy ways to go from "aw" to "aw yeah" when listening to your Chromebook. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.